Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today we're doing a week in my gratitude journal. This is a skinny classic size. My previous video was this one. If you haven't seen it, please go watch. It was a lot of fun to make and super cute. So this week we're still decorating for the week of the National Sticker Day, which is what that other spread was. This was last week. So this week, this is National Sticker Day. And someone had asked for an after the pen of my gratitude journal. It's kind of boring. It's just, my husband and I talk and we write in there what we're grateful for that day. Nothing special. So there it is. There's the after the pen for that one. So this week, it is National Sticker Day, like I said. And, oh, you know what? I'm not going to forget this time. Like in my last one. Wait, hold on one second. Okay, so these are the stickers that we're going to use for National Sticker Day week. And because it says rolling with my favorite stickers, which I thought was kind of fun. And then I'm going to use the National Sticker Day from Keleva Plan Dated Basics. Now, I had a hard time finding boxes for this because it's like a holographic glitter. It's not even just like a plain gold. And I just couldn't find the one that matched perfectly. And then, I don't know. So I just decided, you know what? No boxes. We're not doing boxes this week, and that's okay. So what I did find was this washi, this rolly, like little hilly rolling. I thought the colors went well. What do you think? It's got the blue, see the blue, and like the pinks. So that's what I'm doing. I hope it all matches. I think it matches, but we'll see. Whoops, knocking stuff over. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm hoping this goes all the way across, but what I want to do is this. I want to place it like this. And I think it goes across, but maybe I need to cut it. Or is it okay that it leaves just a little bit? Let's do this side first. If it leaves just a little bit, like if I line it up there, does that look dumb? Let's see. Line that one up there. And then this one here, will it go perfectly to the edge? And almost. I don't know if I like that. I think I don't like that. I think I rather do like, start all the way at the end and not have it in the middle. That's what I think. So let's do like this. Thankfully, it is being very cooperative and coming off somewhat easily. As I said that, it tore. Of course. Okay. So let's try this again. This time I'm going to go all the way to the end like this. Yeah, I like that better. And then we're just going to end it right at this line. Does it look like it's going up? It does. I have to do it straight because if not, although we could go like this, huh? Like it's going uphill and downhill. Huh. That might be kind of cute. Let's try one and see. If we do like this, and then let me get my tweezers. And then one of these guys is, let's see, which one do we want to try? Let's try this one over here. Maybe that's too much over. Oh God, I'm going to end up messing it up. All right, let's just go with my original plan. Let's not get diverted with crazy ideas. But that might have been cute had I thought it out a little more. Okay, so I'm going to go to the edge of this line here. Or should I go a little bit more? Let's go a little bit more. Let's go like to almost those things. And then this one is going to be this way. Should I do it that way? Let's go this way. And we're going to go here. Oh, why am I having such a hard time? It needs to be down. All right, and then I'm going to pause it and do the rest of these going across. That way I'm not torturing you guys with my slowness. Okay. All right, so basically this is what I'm going to do to start it off. I'm going to do that on the other parts and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did that. Now I left this one off because this is a pretty big sticker and I wasn't sure. I didn't think it would fit along with that. So I think what I'm going to do is put it really low. I didn't mean to put it down yet. But you know what? I guess it's staying because I'm not going to take it off now. And I'm just going to cover up this so that it doesn't show through, since it is a clear sticker. And we're going to do like that. And then I'm going to trim this right here. And trim it over here. And then we're going to have this to make the one little hole over here. Okay. So now it's just the fun part. Let's see, did that not cut too good? Left a little piece. And just trim it. My finger won't, my hand won't keep steady. There we go. Okay. So this is how we're starting. And let's add some more of these roller skates. Let's see. So let's see. I do want to add this big blue one. Let's see. We've got 2 of them. No, we've got 3 of the blues. Let's put this one up here. And I just thought this would look so cute. Like that. Yes. And then let me put the National Sticker Day sticker before I forget, like I did in the last video. Let's do that. And he is crying at the door. Let's see. Got stuff stuck to me everywhere. Let's do like this. And then I think I'm going to put one facing this way. Let's see. Let's go with this one. Since we've got like this big area over here, let's create like a big area over here. Sort of like a big focal point. Okay. Cute, cute. Now, let's add some of these. Or when it's, I only have 2 more of those blue ones. So let's go ahead and put those, let's see. Now I kind of wish that line was here, but let's just do like this. And then, like we could have had a little bit of it, huh? I wonder how a little bit of it would look. Let's just try it and see. Just so that we're kind of, like if it's just a tiny bit, I don't know. Will it make a difference? Let's see. Let's see if we like the way it looks. And then a little bit over here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's do that. If I can get it off. A lot of sticker rearranging going on. So I kind of want it to look this way. So let's cut it going this way. Mia, Mia. I hear you. Let's do like this. Keep it straight though. Straight-ish. Does that look? I think it's too much. Let's make it more like that. I know she's thinking, are you going to let me in or what? Okay. Now this one's going to go here. All right. Yeah, I like that better. I think it kind of needed the delineation. Okay, since we've got one more of the blue, we've got that one there. Let's put this one over here. Like that. And then I think we just throw them in there. Let's do, now we can do one kind of over here. Like that. And then we've also got these little like lightning bolts. So we're gonna do something with that because we've got all of these too. And I could have used these boxes, but I don't know, it just didn't go because all of these had like glitter, but then these didn't. So I decided no. I liked the glittery look. And look, we've got all of these to add in there too. So that should be fun. Okay, so we've got this one. Let's go ahead and get this big one over here. Let's put this one over here. Or that's too big right there, huh? Let's put this one. I'm going to put this one with a baby. Like a baby one following it. Let's do a little baby. Okay. And then let's add a couple stars. Just to kind of start dressing it up a little bit. Give you some fun stuff to look at. So let's put some, let's do like this. think this one needs to go here with a star. If I can get it off. Nope. On my finger. Okay. And then let's do this one. I think this one can be up here. All right, this one's just going to be in there. Somebody took it off and threw it. And it's going to land somewhere. And let's do this one. Where do we want this big one? I think I'm just going to put this one like this. This one's doing a wheelie. All right. Then we've got this one. Let's see, this one's also doing a wheelie. And then over here, let's do, I think I like it here, but we gotta angle it a little bit. And then we've got a little baby pink one. Look how cute. Okay. So where do we want this one? This one's like, I'm gonna hop that area. Whoa, don't get crazy now, not that high. And I tore the washi. Let's go this way, like that. Okay, that's cute. Oh, we got one more. Should we use it? Or will it be overkill? I almost feel like we're good. What's on there? I think if I add one more, this one, like I'll catch you. Or this one here. How about, do we want to cut it off? Oh, let's see. I don't know, do we want like a little train going on right here? Why not? Why not? All right, so we've got all of these fun little stars and lightning bolts. How cute. These are fun. Okay. Do I want to do, how do I want to do this? Ooh, I like that. Oh no, that's the same as I did here. Can't be copying. I gotta change it up. So this one, I feel like, you know what, I'm gonna do like that and cut it. And then let's add some more of the stars. And then where do we want a big star? How about, yeah, let's do a big star right here. All right. So do we want to do like stuff in the middle? Maybe. Let's put this little baby star by this one with a slightly bigger one. Right there. And then I think we need a little lightning bolt by this one. Like that. Okay. I kind of like how this one's like out in the middle of nowhere, but I think I'm going to put that there with another one behind it. Like that. All right. I'm liking it so far. It's very cute. Different. And no boxes. No boxes needed. Let's do like that. And then the little baby lightning bolt. Let's put the baby lightning bolt by the baby. I think right here. And then, yes, I'm going to use this whole page because I want to. Let's see. Got one big star. And then a little lightning bolt. Let's add it in here. All right. Then I feel like maybe we need something else up here. Like maybe this size. Okay. I'm super happy with this. I think that is very, very cute. Now, my question is, do we want to add something to the spine, like the middle line? I'm really thinking that we kind of need something there. Let's just see. I can take it off, right? Ooh, no. Definitely don't want to do that. Let's just try a few of the stars in here. Like that. Oh, that was off. Mia, I'm gonna have to let her in. Hold on one second. Okay, she's in. Hopefully she'll stop meowing now. All right, I think I'm just gonna add the stars like this. I think that's what we need to do. I think the lightning bolts was a little too much, but the stars will work out okay. Got a big one. Can't make them too big. Let's do like this. And then here's a couple of small ones over here. I mean, we got them, might as well use them. Put this one here. And then let's use this one over here. I kind of feel like that one could be a little bigger in that spot. Let's try a slightly bigger one. Yes. And then the small one, I feel like this one needs to go here. And then one down there. Let's see this one. Okay. Let's cut that and see without cutting the wrong thing. Let's see if we can do that. And then I'm debating what to use for the, oh, you know what? I think I know what I can use. The only thing is, I hate the fact that the gold isn't going to match. Because I need to put like a January. Oh, wait, I know. I think I'm almost positive I've got letters that have that this same exact holograph thing. Hold on one second. I turned around for 1 second to go get this, and she's sitting on my paper. Okay, so I have this Playful Type, and we've got this one, and I think that's pretty close. And then my other gold ones are like these, which I don't think that goes. That one's too big. No, I think, yep. And then the other one was this one, but I think this is our best bet. Let's see if I can even see the letters on here. There's J, I think. Mia. I should have named this channel Planning with Mia, because she always likes to get involved. All right, so J, and then let's do the A. And you can't really see it good, but that's okay. Gosh, this is hard to see. Okay, there it is. That's sort of a weird looking in, but I'll take it because it's kind of neat, right? Jan. Are there numbers? No, there's no numbers. And I wonder if I should have put it like in the center. You know what? You can hardly see it anyway, so I'm fine with it right there. That's where it's going. But what I can do is I can add, just to kind of balance it out, I can add something over here. That way that's not there on this side with nothing over here. So let's do one more in that back corner. Let's do this one. There. I almost feel like this should go all the way to the top. But you know what? I don't want to ruin the washi, so that's where it's staying. Okay. All right. Well, let's see how it looks in the planner. And we are done. And it is all ready for next week. And there we go. Let's see. Do the stars align? Do the stars align? They aligned. Okay, there you go. I think it's really cute. It'll be fun to fill in. Rolling with my favorite stickers for National Sticker Day. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Bye.